Hey friends, if you encounter the Whea Uncorrectable Error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. The Whea Incorrectable Error has actually been fixed by Microsoft, but a lot of users are facing it. So in this case, you can update your system to the latest version. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane and make sure that it's updated to the latest version, and after that select advanced options, optional updates, and install all optional updates too. The next solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on choose a different restore point, or if you want to use the recommended one, that's up to you. Select next. Select the restore point, click on next, and then click on finish. Now in some cases people have not set a restore point. In that case, system restore will not work. Now the next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be, if everything else fails, you don't have a system restore point, updating it didn't help, then the last option is a cloud reset. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery. Now click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then select cloud download. And once you select cloud download, it will start with the reset process, and finally you can reset it. I won't click on it, otherwise it will start the process on my system while I'm recording it. So this is what you have to do to fix this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.